like I look at the kind of the bigger names that are out there, and all of them in some fashion or another help people start. But at the same time, they also do content that's more advanced and so on. The people who are more on the beginner side, I would probably end up making courses. I might even just sell my book or something like that I have. And that would pay for the advertising to bring them in. And you never know, it could be that they know somebody, which I've had before, where they started, but then they're like, they know somebody who would actually be a good client. I think it's a better way of going, and it's a good way to build up the audience and authority and everything like that. And it's really the only way, because there's only so many business owners to talk about systems and stuff all the time. It's not going to build up that authority figure type, which it would, but only to a select few.